We are at Pupa's Hill, and the snow is drifting here, as you can see, and it's coming down quite nicely, and it's about minus 0.8 degrees. Here I am on Pupa's Hill, and it's snowing nicely, very cold, fresh, strong northeasterly wind, temperature about -1 nearly, and the snow's drifting, and it is very, very lovely, as you can see. So I'm up on Dartmoor. This particular hill was called Snowdon, so I'm on a night run. Didn't quite plan it this way, but I'm on a night run after work. It's minus 1.1 on top of Snowy Hill with a good wind blowing, as you can hear in the distance, and snow's drifting quite happily everywhere, and it's jolly cold, foggy, and I've got my head torch on. I know the route pretty well. Well, I know it very well, so I'm not bothered about getting lost or anything. And the amazing thing is, this is November the 30th, and it's the first time I've ever known snow from a weather front and bitterly cold weather combined in November. And also, of course, heavy snow and blizzards, or moderate snow, as you can see. And it's blowing around here, up the top there. There we go, fantastic scenery. Can't really pick it out up here. It's fantastic scenery. I've got my life systems. Here we are. I'm going to get into the shelter for a bit, have some food. I've already had a coffee on this rock, and then make my way back home. So I'm in my life system two person, two people shelter, and it's as you see, it's pretty windy up here. And looking outside there, there's a lot of snow dust blowing around, as you can see, what I call blizzard dust, and it's a very, very awesome experience to say the least. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, happy days.